In today's video, I'm going to show you how I keep my hair healthy even after I diet. This video is going to be two parts. First part, the color, and second part is going to be me revealing my secret. Let's go. So this is the second part of the video where I show you my secret to having healthy hair even after using stuff. So my secret is, are you ready? Drum roll. I'm gonna go wash my hair and come back. Make sure to use a clarifying shampoo after using butter on your hair. You'll thank me later. Check out the results. Look at that shine. Look at that. And the hair is silky smooth. This is the butter effect.